Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, I'm a photographer. I used to do commercial a lot, but I run a photo studio also. Then this is one of the shooting. Well, this is my subject today, and this time I want to make kind of oil paint like from this image, and I also made this line drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges, and not like, well, touches like oil painting, but I don't know if I'm gonna finish up with oil painting like or not, because I may use this line drawing type image on this later. Well, let's see. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna make this base image, not this line image. I'm gonna duplicate this base image too. Then base one, this I'm gonna rename now. I'm gonna rename on base. Then I just duplicate, I rename this smudge. Okay, we got smudge image and also base photograph image. And I changed this rename line drawing type. So I just, okay, we got 3 images, and I'm going to change the blend mode or layer mode or whatever you call. I'm going to change this line image. Now it's normal to darken, so we can see through underneath the image, underneath of this layer. Now I'm going to tone this one down to about 50% or so too. Okay, and turn this base image off. Then I'm going to work on this smudge image. Okay, now choose the smudge tool. Well, I want to try this oil brush, which is Japanese now, but I'm sure you can find it in your iPad. You have the painting tool, oil paint. I'm gonna go for, let's see the size of the brush, and about maybe brush opacity, 80, now it's 85% from here. It's already like touches like oil paint, huh? Okay, I'm gonna all smudge this image. This is my first time to use this brush, so I don't know the character of this smudge tool. Kind of dark side goes smudged image. We have the line drawing type image. Now it's darkened, so when I smudge this base photo image, it shows more like this. So, well, let's try and see it. Now go on smudged boy's face. I would be a little bit careful about this face, not to messed up his face just softly, even though you're using that oil paint brush. Just get the texture of the oil paint. You still see. Then maybe make a big, small brush. The small texture of the tool. You smudge the details. And then go back to a little bit bigger tool size to get some oil paint texture on the here. I don't know about this brush character, which color picks up. Smudged almost over the boy's body and head. Now go background or smudge. I'm gonna make bigger tool size. Okay, almost done for all the whole image smudged. I want to make some rough texture like this, some part. Okay, now we have line image here, and I did smudge. This is a smudge image base. Now I'm going to move this base image, go up to the smudge in between these two layers, and I'm going to turn this one on. Now it's photograph itself. Now I'm going to make mask, then invert mask, so we can see through smudge image. We don't see base, nothing now. Now I'm going to reveal this mask with the brush. I'm gonna painting to let's try same oil paint brush. Easy to remember. Painting brush revealed with oil brush, and I smudged same brush. Painting to oil brush. This is smudged by oil paint brush, and now I'm going to reveal this base image by oil paint brush with white clear and make it a little bit bigger. Let's see on this mask. Especially only the face shows more nicely by painting oil paint brush, so shows photograph image, right? No, I don't want to show everything. Well, no, same time, maybe I'm gonna mask this brush image, make a mask, then same oil paint to now. What? Now this time black. I'm gonna use black, then brushes just outside. Don't do this, maybe though. Okay, I'm gonna invert this mask, whole black. leave this line image and okay, I'm gonna fill layer black, so it's now change the brush since this is oil paint. Okay, same oil paint brush, huh? Okay, now I'm gonna reveal this too with white, then make it bigger. Now I'm using the bigger oil paint brush to reveal on this layer. So we see the smudge image now. Just rough first. Now I'm going to go small size. I'm going to make this layer. I'm going to add mask on this. Then I want to hide with black ink to these lines here. It's too straight. Okay, now touch up. I just hide this straight edge from this line image, and I also, this mask is doing this base image around the face area, just opening up. Then layer mask, overall layer mask using this smudge image. Oh, okay, it's easy to show you. This is a mask of the base image, that's how I'm using it. Then the line image is, I just hide around here. You see? Take this out, so outlines is gonna be rough, no straight separation or something like that. And then I use smudge tool, overall image from this smudge image. Now if I want to see more sharp image, I just reveal on this image mask using the brush to, since I'm gonna reveal this, so use the white ink brush, same oil brush, to reveal maybe about this finger area. I'm gonna reveal this base image. You see a little one here. This is a reflection of the table, so I don't have to show much, huh? Okay, in that case, I'm gonna hide again with black. Not much. We don't need to see so sharp. There's no sharp image anyways, but this here, boy's hand is sharp. So maybe this is clear, more clear image, because interest of this picture is from here to this boy is looking at here. So maybe I should show some, reveal this book or something. See more clear what this is. Now you see that inside of the book, new book. I guess that's enough for this. And left hand side, that's fine to me. Then maybe I should reveal around here. Yeah, a little bit more darker. I want to see the shadow. Edge of the vest shows more sharper black lines. shadow of the tiles too. I like his expression. And I'm gonna hide this black lines in this mask. Use the black to take these black lines from his face. I painted on here. This one comes here, huh? So I'm gonna hide this. No. Reveal. Yeah. With white. Strange. Oops. Taking this. Reveal. Okay, now. Then hide with black on this layer. These black lines in his face. Okay. That's all about it. Now, what do you think? I think I'm gonna add layer in between base image and smudged image. Add layer, then use same brush, oil brush. Choose the color, a little bit more saturated this color, then a little bit bigger brush size, then throw some color around. And add some orangey color behind here. Just a little accent. Well, I think that's it for today, and this is it. Thank you guys watching my video, and I really appreciate the support. Have a nice day guys, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.